And it goes a little something like,
I'll keep love you all summer, and after fall, I'll keep you all.
I have just literally woken up. I'm gonna switch on the TV because prayer is about to start. I'm actually going to use that opportunity to do my steps. So usually when I pray up and down, I just do my steps. So yeah, I'm gonna do my 10k this morning during prayer, literally 2 hours, and then I'll be done. But yeah, stay tuned. Hope you're all well and you're all blessed. Yeah. Hi guys, so I just wanted to give you guys an update, and yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I've actually just done 6,300. I haven't actually spoken to you guys today because I was just being a little bit lazy, but I haven't been lazy as in not doing my steps. So I have been doing my steps. So I did, I walked up to 5k, and then at 12 o'clock I broke my fast. So bearing in mind I'm fasting, so what I do is I don't eat after 6 until 12 the next day. So I broke my fast at 12 o'clock. So I said no walking, no breakfast. So yeah, so I broke my fast at 12 and I had lunch, and then yeah, I'm just gonna eat in between, like bits and pieces, still healthy. So I had rice, spinach and chicken, the chicken that I grilled yesterday. And then just later on, just around 5 o'clock, which is in a bit because it's 4 now, isn't it? It's about 4:20 now. So just around 5 o'clock, I'm going to have like kelewele, and then I still have it like with spinach. But kelewele is like fried plantain. Do you get it? And I have a bit of nuts, and literally that's all. And then when it hits 6 o'clock, I'm not gonna have anything except for water. So I'll just have water. I'll just have water until tomorrow. So yeah. So yeah. And I've done 6,300 steps so far. So what I did is that so I actually just decided to walk at home. So I haven't been to the park, so I just decided to walk at home. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit and update you when I get my 10,000k. Hi guys, so it's actually 5:45, so I'm gonna actually eat my kelewele. So it's literally this. Have you made it? It's nice. And I'm gonna have it with spinach if there's some spinach. Oh yeah, I've got egg. I have it with egg. It's just boiled egg. Ta-da! This is for dinner. So it's kelewele, egg, and some spinach. I'm not eating because of it being nice. Oh, this was in rice. That's the reason why. It's in jollof rice. I didn't eat it earlier on. But yeah, this is what I'm having. Not for the niceness of it, but yeah, for health reasons. I'm gonna enjoy my meal, and I'll let you know how far I go with my 10k today. Good morning, guys. Hope you're all well. Oh, I've not just woken up, I promise. Oh, the camera's not on me. Yesterday I didn't really feel like coming on the camera. I didn't feel like vlogging in the evening, but I actually achieved my goal, and I will insert it right here. I think I'll put day 2 and 3 together. I need to make my bed. But yeah, it's afternoon actually. It's 12 o'clock. So it's afternoon. So I haven't actually, usually I try to do 5,000 steps before I eat. So I think I'm gonna do that and then do a bit of workout, and then I will have something to eat, and then yeah. So yesterday, yeah, I did 18. I've done 18 hours of fasting. I'm telling you, I was so tempted today. I put rice in my mouth at 11, yeah. I put rice in my mouth at 11, and you won't believe it. Like, I just thought, no, you can't do this. I just want to try it out. So, because I really want this to work. I want my body to start breaking like fats and etc, 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 etc. I didn't know what the accent that was. I'm telling you the truth. I don't know what accent that was. But yeah. So that's literally life. I'm gonna wash my hair because I've got a Zoom meeting today. And yeah. So after exercise, I'm gonna put on some exercise clothes, and then after exercising, I am going to wash my hair, and then wrap it and get ready for the Zoom meeting. So, and then when am I gonna have lunch? So okay, let me just tell you my day. So I'm going to exercise right now. I'm going to exercise and also to do my 10k steps. So I must do 5k. So I'm gonna exercise for about 30 minutes, right? Yeah, it's a 20-minute workout, but it's all like cardio and everything. So it's all working your body and everything. And then I'm gonna try and do, after that exercise, I'm going to do because that should give me a few steps. And then after that should give me about 5,000 steps, because I'll put my phone in my pocket whilst I'm doing it. And then after that exercise, if I didn't get up to 5,000 steps, I will actually like proper workout as well. I mean, proper walk. So I'll just walk up and down my corridor. And then if I get 5,000, that's when I'll go for lunch. After lunch, I'll go and shower, just because I feel better when I have lunch before I shower, because usually I get nephritis when I eat. So usually I prefer to actually just shower, so that it just clears my mind. But actually, I don't even know, because when I actually shower as well, it makes me feel like I need to sleep. So I don't even know. But yeah, I'm going to do one of the other. And then, yeah, let's just see how my day goes, basically. And then, yeah. Basically, yeah, I'm not editing today, but I have got a few tenders to write because I've got a deadline tomorrow. So I think I'll be staying up all night today sorting out a bid for a company. And then, yeah, basically that's it. So I'll see you guys. I need to get my 10k steps.
So that's basically everything prepped. We've got a few things later that I'll cook.
I can't believe you have your 15k, babe.
Get a move on.
Oh, I need to start walking in the house. I need to start getting my steps. No way. I'm just going to be walking up and down like this until I get 10k. Because today I actually didn't do anything. I just ate, read, relaxed. That's all I've done today. Day 3. And I only have 1,405. What? I need to get 10k. So yeah, I'll be doing this until I feel dizzy. See you in a bit. But no, I have actually changed my mind. I'm actually going to work out in my own home, because if I keep walking up and down, I'm actually going to like feel dizzy. So I was quickly just changed into my workout. I got this top from Forever 21 when it was shutting down. I got it for £2. Can you believe that? It's working out. It's working. And then obviously these are Nike that I got from JD's a long time ago. But yeah, they still fit. Can you believe that? But look at my belly. This is literally how big my belly is. This needs to go. This, I can't do this. This is a lot for me. So that's why I'm doing it. I haven't actually shown it. And obviously, I don't think I shared it. The reason why I put on weight from a surgery that I had. You know, when you're at home and you're not walking, especially quarantine, like everybody stay at home. So I didn't really go out for walks and all that stuff. And I just ended up putting on so much weight. So yeah, so that's why I've put on so much weight. It's not because I was enjoying for quarantine. No, not really. But yeah, I'm going to work out in the living room. So I will film a bit of my workout. And yeah, let's just move. All this fat is going to go. You'll be shocked. Because I'm really, really serious now. I really want to lose weight, guys. I really want to lose weight. But yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get it. Guys, day 3 and I've just done my, oh, let me turn this down. Day 3 and I've just done my 10k. Today was a lot more harder, honestly speaking. I didn't want to do it. I sat down all day, not doing anything. And then just tonight, I was like, after my Zoom meeting, I was like, you know what? I have to do it. Because how can I say that I'm trying to encourage someone to do it as well, and then I'm not doing it? So I'm glad I've done it. I actually did it in a run. So I ran with this lady. I was trying to do some workout, but it wasn't working. It was too much. And then I ran with this lady called Parla Fitness. She's quite an elderly lady, and she does it at such a nice pace. So she runs for like a minute, walks for a minute, and it was much easier for me. And I got my 10k steps done. So that was really good. That's good for the heart. So yeah, guys, that is it for tonight. This is it for day 3. I've done 10k and 16. I'll put the details up here, and I'll see you at day 4. Goodbye.